General rule of Hearsay rule is according to the Rule 130, Section 36. A witness can testify only to those facts which he knows of his personal knowledge, that is, which are derived from his own perception, except as otherwise provided in these rules.
The following are the exceptions of hearsay rule. First one is dying declaration. The declaration of a dying person made under the consciousness of an impending death may be received in any case wherein his death is the subject of the inquiry as the evidence of the cause and the surrounding. Ano ba yan? Hindi nag-aalam! Ano nangyari sa'yo? Sino may dahil sa'yo?
Tulungan niyo ako.
Sino may dahil sa'yo?
Sabihin niya sumagulong, mahal ko sila.
Ha? Ano sino may dahil sa'yo?
Bigyan niyo stay sa pagkamatay ko.
Sino?
Ricky Katoy.
Ricky? Sino yun? Taga saan?
Tamindoro yun.
Section 37, Dying Declaration Against Interest. The declaration made by a person that deceased or unable to testify against the interest of the declarant if the fact asserted in the declaration was, at the time it was made, so far contrary of the declarant's own interest, that a reasonable in his position would not have made the declaration unless he believed it to be true, may be received in evidence against himself or his successors in interest and against the third person.
Hindi po mga sir, ano po sa inyo? Andyan kasi yung sa Romanandaya, yung manager. Sir po, kapag naman kailangan na namin siya. Sige, tatawag ko lang po.
Okay. Ito.
Kumusta?
Ano natin? Jody ko ang tatlong baso.
Wait lang po sir. May gusto sana kami sabihin sa'yo.
Oo.
Ito po. Po.
Kamusta na nga pala kayo?
Ano sa iyong bar, oh? Ayan,
Ano ba ito? Marco? Kamusta ang palang business niyo?
Ito kasi yun eh. May tukwento kami sa'yo. Medyo nakukonsensya na kami.
O, pero po sa akin mga pagkitabalaan niyo.
Pero gusto mo magdagas ka muna ng wine para masakit.
O sige, may alam mo ka para sa inyo.
Tada!
1948, Jinwis Daycare.
Sarap ata yun na. Kumahan.
Gusto niyo ba ng ice?
Okay na to.
Hindi sila lagyan ng ice nung ate. Saudi Arabia. Oh, may mapunta ba? Ano ba yun? Sinasabi mo kanina.
Sarap! Kasi ganito yun. Kita mo ba yung biglang yaman namin? Gusto kasi namin picture sa'yo kung anong ginawa namin eh. Kung matagal ko, konsensya na kami.
Oo, siya naman para gawin din ako para may pag-accent ko itong ano ko.
Yun muna, anak. Shot muna. Sarap nito ah.
Sarap. Oh, ano nga ba sila?
Kasi tol, ganito yun eh. Pineke namin yung pirma ng mga tao. Sasyan na. Kaya yan, biglang yaman kami.
Ay,
Pineke namin.
pinake nyo talaga mga ginayam. Ginayam mo?
Kaya ayun, biglang yaman namin na ginaya namin pirma nila, pineke namin. Tapos, sa ibenta namin yung lupa nila. Pero tol, hanggang konsensya rin, gabi-gabi, hindi kami makatulog. Oo, mayaman kami, kuha namin lahat ng luho namin. Basta tol, ano yung konsensya
Mali talaga. So, ano yung gagawin nyo ngayon? Ano yung gagawin natin ngayon?
Hindi namin alam. Pero sana, sa ating tatlo lang ito, nahihirapan na kasi kami lang nakakaalam. Ikaw bilang best friend namin, gusto
Mga saan nyo ko dyan, Tol?
sabihin mo
Kaya pa.
Sana. Sige. Sana
Kaya pa.
kita na.
Tagal natin pinagsamahan. Kampay!
Kampay!
Masaya sa'yo. Ba't uwi pa kayo? Meron ba akong guest room din? Kaya pa ba?
Oo, kaya namin, Tol. Ako nang bahala. May kotse naman ako. Kaya ko na umuwi.
Kaya mo ba mag-drive?
Oo, kaya pa ako. Dahil na ako dito sa akin.
Kaya na.
Oo,
So, paano yun?
bye!
Bye! Okay, ito lang. Jodelin.
Dito ko kasi.
Pareho nga. Patid mo nga sila sa, labas. Sa kotse ni brother mo dyan. Ingat kayo ha. Yung sekreto natin, atin natin lang yun. Sige.
Wala kami sa'yo. Kaya pa ba natin? Ano yung susi ng kotse?
Or declaration about pedigree, section 39. The act or declaration of a person deceased or unable to testify in respect to the pedigree of another person related to him by birth or marriage may be received in evidence where it according before the controversy and the relationship between the two persons and show by evidence another than such act or declaration. The word pedigree includes relationship, family, genealogy, birth, marriage, death. The dates when and the place where this fact occurred and the names of the relatives. It embraces also facts of family history intimately connected with prejudice.
Or traditions existing in the family previous to the controversy in respect to the pedigree of any one of its member may be received in evidence if the witness testifying their own may be also a member of the family either by consanguinity or affinity. Entries in the family Bible or other family books or charts, engravings on rings, family portraits, and the like may be received as evidence of pedigree.
Common reputation existing previous to the controversy respecting facts of public or general interest more than
30 years old or respecting marriage or moral character may be given in evidence. Monumentos and inscriptions in public places may be received as evidence of common reputation.
Part of press statement made by a person while startling occurrence is taking place or immediately prior to subsequent thereto with respect to the circumstance thereof may be given in evidence as a part of res gestae, as also statement accompanying an equivocal act material to the issue and giving it a legal significance may be received as part of res gestae.
Wala na tayong pulutan. Kaya pa yan.
Ito ah.
Pasok mo na.
Chat, ikaw.
Ba't ka?
Wala yan, kaya yan. Chat. Ay, ikaw muna boy. Ikaw po, wala na. Sino mo papaysa naman?
Eh, bili tayo!
Bili.
Tayo!
Sabi ko, hindi ka siya 100. Wala na, pre.
O yan, sa 4. Sige.
Wala na pera!
Sa 4 yan.
Opo, ate mabili po. Isang hapong 4. Ito na, saglit lang.
Jam, ano nangyari sa'yo, Jam? Ano ba kasalanan nito? Jam, tumawag kayong 911. Si Gian.
Interest in the course of business, interest made at or near the time of the transaction to which they refer by a person deceased and unable to testify who was in a position to stated may be received as the prima facie evidence if such person made the interest in professional capacity or in the performance of duty and in the ordinary or regular course of business or duty.
Entries in official records made in performance of a duty, especially by a public officer of the Philippines or a person in performance of his duty, especially enjoined by a law. A prima facie evidence of the facts therein stated. Commercial list and the like. Evidence of statements or matter of interest to person engaged in an occupation contained in a list, register, periodical, or other published compilation is admissible as tending to prove the truth or any relevant matter to stated it that compilation is published for use by persons engaged in that occupation and is generally used and relied upon by them there is.
Learn treatises. A published treatise, periodical, or pamphlet on a subject or of history, law, science, and art is admissible as tending to prove the truth of a matter stated therein, of the court takes judicial notice, or a witness expert in the subject testifies that the writer of the statement in the treatise, periodical, or pamphlet is recognized in these provisions or calling as expert subject.
Testimony or deposition at a former proceeding. The testimony or deposition of a witness, the case or unable to testify given a former case or proceeding judicial or administrative involving the same parties and subject matter may be given in evidence as against adverse party had the opportunity to cross-examine him. Section 47, Rule 132 provides quality education.